Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel Joy. I'm a professional beautician, and the reason I'm here, I said I would love to share my few tips and my few techniques on how I try to run my skin right over here at my place. And today's topic is not gonna be any different from what is just written down below from this video. I'm just making a review on from The Ordinary, some of the good products from The Ordinary that I really find very, very useful, that might also be very useful to you. But guys, I want to tell you, if you don't know exactly what The Ordinary is and you are so new to this thing, The Ordinary is a wonderful line of affordable skincare that uses ingredients that make a visible difference of your skin. You want to have visibility and a very clear of the top surface of the skin, then Ordinary has your back. But guys, let me tell you something. I don't want us to waste too much time. Let's just go straight into it. If you need to grab something to drink, guys, just go ahead and grab something that you want to drink. As for me, Raquel, I'm just gonna sip my water right over here in my glass, and please do not grab alcohol. Well, it's a quick review on vitamin C, which I am comparing vitamin C12, which was done in the previous video, and this is the vitamin C again, 30% suspension in a silicone. This is how it looks like. And I'm just gonna try to take a little bit of it, and then I'll use it on my skin. But before I put it on my skin to demonstrate for you, let me just clear my skin with a toner by showing you. This is the toner that I use. It's from the Kiehl's. I have some of my pads right over here. So this one is like a sister to me. Wherever I am, I have her. I have no makeup on my skin, so it was straight away from being washed, and yeah. So that is already done. As you can really see, I didn't have any makeup, but my skin looks very glowing to me. That's good. Well, The Ordinary vitamin C suspension, 30%. This is how it looks like. I don't want to use too much of the product. I'm just gonna try to show you exactly right over here. I think I would really say, in my opinion, for the people who are having very oily skins, try the vitamin C 30%. Seriously, I'm gonna try this now on my face. The first time I tried this vitamin C on my face, because I'm really a person who likes trying out things. However, I have a very sensitive skin. You really feel like to me, it's burning, like seriously, guys. So I would just do myself a favor, and then I would just grab my evening routine care kit, which is the Kiehl's as well, from the Kiehl's. My night cream. So I'm just gonna try to dilute a little bit of this vitamin C, which I think the percentage is too high for me, and I'm gonna work my way through it. And by the way, guys, for those people who are really looking into making your skins look better and looking younger, try to use these products always a bit like 2 hours before you go to bed, such that the product gets its time to work on the skin. Because when you are going to bed and then you just go to wash off and then you apply everything and then you go to bed, it's not a good thing. So you can really see it now, it's now turning to be a bit oily, but as I can really tell you guys how I feel, it's much better than before when it was just direct on my skin. Vitamin C is a good thing, but it depends on how much percentage are you using from the ordinary line. As Raquel, I would say 12% is the best for me. For the oily skin people, I would really recommend this one. It's really dry and it's very greeny. So out of 10, I would really give it a 6. Let's try to go ahead with the retinol, which I also wanted to talk about today as well on the ordinary line. Retinol, this is vitamin A. For those people who really didn't know what retinol is vitamin A. I'm just going to try to open and then I'm just going to use it on this other side, which I also used my toner. This is how it really looks like. I can get some more. It really looks like this. It's yellowish and it doesn't really have any scent to me. 3 drops are really enough for the whole face, but I'm just going to use this one on one side of the face. If you have fine lines and if you have, let me say, wrinkles, if you have spots, like wrinkles, vitamin C will help you to target for the dark spots. And then this one is basically anti-aging and it will balance as well your skin tone. So you can really see. I use too much, sorry guys, but it's all right. I'm just demonstrating. And as you can really see, try always to be very careful with your eyes. And also with the retinol, I recommend it to be used like in the evening hours. It being like deactivated, it will be deactivated when you go under the sun. So always try to avoid the sun, unless when you have the sun protection factor, which is the SPF, then you can just go ahead. So guys, what do you think? I'm all right with it. And yeah, so far so good. If you guys are trying to invest in some things, try to invest in beauty stuff, guys. You don't want to look younger. You don't want to look older than what you're investing in, but also try to, when you're really trying to eat healthy, such that also what you eat will help to boost your skin as well. Because if you eat junk and then you try to buy too much of the products, it might not just work out so well as well. So always watch out for what you eat, and and you will try to see your skin really giving you the best results in your life. As Raquel, I am super happy with my skin. I can just go, just like, as you can really see, I'm on camera. I'm not really ashamed of my skin. Like, I really have to cover up on everything, like makeup. I'm all good. Like, I'm okay. I'm really happy with my skin. This is with the retinol and this is with vitamin C. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to like if you like this video. And please just go ahead and share my videos. Guys, Raquel Joy is your girl. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.